Hi! Today we are going to talk about some furniture pieces from IKEA. For my room, I chose the Songesand bed. I think the bed is very beautiful, and the price was very nice too. I've had it for about 6 months and I have no complaints regarding the bed. Since I needed more storage space, I also bought the drawers that go under the bed. A set consists of one larger drawer and one small one. I ended up buying two sets to fill both sides of the bed. Assembling the drawers was not difficult and I managed to assemble everything by myself. I was happy with the way it looked and the ease of accessing the things inside the drawers. That is, the drawers that I could actually access. What I mean is, the drawer that is next to the head of the bed will always be blocked from sliding due to the bedside table. In my case, I have to move aside the bedside table first so that then I can open the drawer. This is something that I actually didn't realize before buying. Also, there are a few things that IKEA did or is doing that don't make a lot of sense to me. Number one, IKEA doesn't allow you to buy the drawers separately from each other. I understand that aesthetically it's better to have all the drawers there even if they are not used. However, I would like the option. But since I already own them, I opt for storing things that I rarely use on them. Number two, I didn't buy the Songesand bedside tables for my room. I opted for another style. When I noticed the situation with the drawers, I assumed that maybe IKEA had already thought of everything and that the Songesand set as a whole would not have this problem. For example, if the Songesand bedside table is one of those that just sticks to the wall and doesn't have any legs, the drawers could easily slide without a problem. But no, the set itself is, in my opinion, poorly designed. Perhaps I'm just the only one who is bothered. Overall, I'm really enjoying the bed, and the drawers are a good space saving option. That's all for today. Until next time, bye bye.